morning, besties. It's prom day. Okay, guys, so it's prom day, and today is gonna be like the start of the prom vlog, like the prom vlog, like not to get ready with me, not the preparation, the prom vlog. Y'all see, I'm feeling my nails. I was like, they're so long, y'all. I could never get long nails because of volleyball, but I got them anyways. But I gotta cut them in like 2 days. That's not the point. So it's literally straight off the wake up. It's like 10, no, it's like 11 right now. It's Saturday, and I need to get ready. I literally have to go to the store. Yeah, I have some stuff to do today, and I really didn't want to do that. That's why I wanted to just sleep in. I was editing the prom maintenance vlog right now, and I realized I need to get started on this vlog because like it's literally prom day. Like everybody's going crazy on Instagram right now. Like they're getting, getting excited, getting ready, and I'm not. So I was like, let me get my ass up and get ready to go. So I'm about to just like get ready for my day in general, because like this straight off the wake up. I need to brush my teeth, brush my lashes, like get myself together. But today is just gonna be us actually getting ready for the prom and going to the prom. But I have a send off with my friends, with my pookies later today. So I'm gonna show y'all all of us getting ready, and then doing our send off and then going to prom. And then y'all will see, because our prom is in Galveston, if I didn't mention. So we have to like go to Galveston, and then we're staying out there obviously for the weekend. Like that's the only thing that makes sense. I guess that's why our school did that, but I don't like that. Like, why are we having a prom in Galveston? But it's cool with me. I picked out my outfits last night. Oh, y'all, like my prom dress is pretty simple, y'all. It's pretty basic. But my other outfits, like my beach outfit, and I got like an after prom. Y'all, let me tell you, I'm gonna eat y'all. Oh, but I just want to take pictures of myself because I look too good. Like I look literally too good. But we're gonna get into all of that later. I'm just so excited. I need to like wake up, but let's get the day started. Saturday, prom day, prom 23, and like I think Nimitz and like some other schools had their shit yesterday, and everybody is looking so good. And some Dallas people, I think everybody looking so good. So I'm just ready. It's Dawson, Lamar, and Hightower that I know of that have prom like today. Yesterday, Clear Springs, I think, had it. So everybody's having a prom. Everybody's looking so pretty. So I'm just ready to, do my little thing, do my little big one, do my little thing. No, but let's get ready for this vlog. Alrighty, guys. So I'm in my car right now. I'm about to head to Walmart because I need to grab like a couple of things, last minute things. Then it's like 1 right now. I'm moving so slow because I don't have anything to do today, but I also feel like I'm all over the place. And I can imagine people who run into appointments like, oh, not on prom day. That's why I did everything the day before. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Not me. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Walmart real quick, grab some things, come back to the crib, pack it all up. I'm gonna edit the video, then I'll probably be headed to go with my friends. So smooth little day. My day going smooth. Like I'm just on edge because I feel like something bad gonna happen because like I don't know. But it's going smooth. So let's head to Walmart. Okay guys, so I've been back from Walmart, got the stuff I needed. I actually just took a shower, and now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna pack my stuff because I have like a whole suitcase that I just want to be able to just take straight to Galveston because my mama gotta check into the place. And then I think I'm gonna just bring this to my friend, like to the send off, so I can like get ready. Just that in my dress, so I don't have to have my whole damn suitcase, So I'm packing it up now. I think that's what I'm about to do. I'm also like literally trying to upload this video while I'm doing that. And yeah, then I'm gonna just head over. I don't know what I got caught up doing. I was in the shower for a long time. I was just chilling. Like I've really been chilling this whole day. And I was editing some more because I get caught up in that shit. But yeah, we're gonna head on over. I'll show y'all like when I'm out the door because it's probably gonna be like another 15 minutes. But almost to the send-off, almost there. It's like, what time is it right now? I don't want to get it wrong. It's like 4:13. So I'm supposed to be there like 4:30. I'm not gonna make it 4:30, but that's fine. Like we got hella hours because we're gonna leave around. We're walking out at 7:30, and I don't have nothing to do but put on the damn dress. You feel me? Oh, she gotta curl my hair though. So yeah, that's it though. See y'all when I get in the car. Okay guys, so I forgot to vlog, but I made it to my friend's house. Here's my stuff. We got a little poster thing. And now I'm about to go in. We're gonna start getting ready. Okay guys, so I literally just updated my maintenance vlog prom edition, and it is currently 6:32. We walk out. We walk out at 7 through 7:15. Y'all, I got caught up because that video is so good. That video is so good. I got caught up in editing, and like I'm here by myself basically. Like we all have our each room. Wow, we all each have a room to get ready in. But like my mama not here, and I don't have anything to do anyways. But I do. My eyes look too good. But I need to curl my hair, so I'm gonna curl my hair, freshen up, and then we're gonna go from there. I really don't have anything to do, y'all. That's why I was editing. But yeah, we're gonna do that and just see. I don't even know how to curl hair, but I'm gonna try at this point. And I got some curlers, and we're just gonna do that. I wish I could show you my friends, but like we each have our own room and they're locked in. Like they're going ham. They're going in. Like they getting their makeup, did their hair, did like they getting right. So can't show you that right now. But I need to finish from my TikToks too. But okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm about to start getting ready for real. Like for real. I got a flat iron because we didn't have a curling iron. So I'm about to try to curl them with a flat iron. And I don't even know how to curl with a curler. But it is what it is. I might just end up straightening it. I personally don't really care. But I'm about to touch up my hair for real. And then I might put it in pins and then put on my dress, right? That sound about right. I don't know. I really don't know, guys. And then I went downstairs because I was just chilling. And then everybody was like, oh, why are you not ready? Why are you not ready? I'm like, breathe, 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 guys. Y'all stressing me out. All I gotta do is throw on my dress. But anyways, that's what I'm about to do. My mama should be here soon, so we're gonna see. Anyways, it's always giving. It's just gonna get. So I'm one curl in with 9 minutes to walk out. So okay, so I got someone to help me curl, so and we found a curler, so get into it. All right guys, so hair is curled and whatnot. I'm about to try to put on my dress, and then pretty much I'm gonna just have to come back when I'm ready and show y'all then, because it's like crunch time. So I will just come back when I'm all dressed. Just okay, get into it. Come on. This
Can you favor her?
That's for right.
Mom, can you favor her?
Don't fuck up nobody else's night tonight. Keep it to yourself.
So I just made it to the convention center. I to make it in the prom. I'm stepping all on this dress, bro.
Yes. Where?
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm good. Oh well.
Yeah, he dragged that girl.
Okay, so guys, we made it to the Airbnb. Outfit change, period. But I'm out of breath. We're gonna be here for the night. I'm not sleeping here though, but y'all will see us. Gonna play some games and yeah, vibe out. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. No, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. Well, there's a squirrel out there. So we partied last night, but we stayed at the house, just did our thing. And now we're about to actually get ready to go to the beach So we're gonna go with our friends and wear our bikinis and take pics. I know I look really rough. I know. I'm about to get myself together. We're getting ready now. Their girls are taking off their makeup and stuff. I'm just gonna shower and get right. And then we're gonna go to the beach. So come with us and get ready with us because obviously we're not going like this. All right, guys, so we're getting ready for the beach. Beach day. I just gotta do my hair and then, yeah, I gotta make sure that she laid because I don't have time for that. But, oh my gosh, I'm about to wear this dress first and then I might change into my bikini. But I need some pictures. Oh, you know what I'm saying? We look too good. Okay, guys, we made it back to the beach house. Now I'm finna eat my lunch. Good morning, vlog. So today is Monday. I am back in Houston currently. So prom weekend is over. It's a wrap. It was lit. It was definitely 10 out of 10. What it's supposed to be, what it's supposed to give. Rock the boat. No, but it was 10 out of 10 weekend. Too much fun. I actually have my senior pictures today and I wanted to vlog that for y'all, but like, I'm like drained. But you gotta get that content somehow, some way, right? So like, I'm about to still vlog it. So I'm about to actually edit this vlog before my pictures, so that y'all get this senior pictures vlog. Because my senior pictures not even gonna be all that, y'all. Like, I fucking look rough already. I'm like, oh, don't piss me off. And I got so much other stuff to do. So it's gonna be a little rough, but I still wanna vlog for y'all. So I think I'm gonna just do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Make sure your prom that you have fun, have a ball. And if you're not, don't ruin nobody else's time. That's the rule. But also be very, very safe because it is very dangerous. So be safe out here on the roads. Be safe at your prom. Be responsible. But have a great time and have a ball. Anyways, I love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. And stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.